Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export Google Earth data and import it into GIS. Let's first open Google Earth. For example, if we have a study area previously added or draw it through the Google Earth, later I will record another video about the interface of Google Earth and the ability how we can draw the study area. Yeah, we already have the boundary and I explained it in the previous video. So what to do? Only you have the option, you can select it and uh, save as the project or save place as what you like here and then under the file menu. And you have another option, just select it in the sidebar and right click, go to save place as whatever you name it. For example, maybe study boundary as a K. You have the option also in the extension. So just let's select the KML type and save it. Now we are trying to open GIS, but if you want to add the same file directly, so you will not get it here. So for that purpose, so just go to Arc Toolbox conversion tool, and then in the previous video I showed you how to export GIS layer to KML, and today we are going to convert KML file to layer. Just double click and go to select it, study boundary. Yeah, we have got here, and we check the place and we can name it, let's say only boundary, and click OK. Yeah, this is the same study area that already exists or uploaded before in Google Earth, and then now we try to import it into GIS. Yeah, and here also we can change or edit the property of the polygon that we have. For example, we can check yeah, like this. As you see, this is a simple way to import uh, the file types or the other layers from Google Earth. So even for the points, for example, here you can save place as because this study area was a polygon, and for the points also you can do it, and for polyline also. Thank you for watching.